Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start by confirming the device truly has link-level connectivity. Open Network Settings and verify the SSID or Ethernet link light, then ping the router IP to see if packets reach it. If you get no reply, power cycle the modem/router once. Wait 60 seconds for full restart. Once done, disable any VPN or proxy so you're testing direct paths. This isolates local link problems from encrypted tunnels that can block traffic. Now you determine whether name resolution or routing is failing. Try browsing by IP or ping 8. If that works, DNS is the culprit, so switch to a known resolver temporarily. Next, run traceroute to a public server to identify the hop where packets are dropped. That shows whether the break is inside your LAN, at the ISP, or beyond. Also review local firewall rules and briefly disable IP to complete the fix, update, or roll back router firmware, and if settings are suspect, perform a factory reset while saving a backup of your config. Replace suspect Ethernet cables and test another device to prove whether the issue is hardware-specific. If problems persist beyond your router, gather traceroute and ping logs and call your ISP. Provide hop failures and timestamps. Quick troubleshooting tip. If intermittent, schedule a packet capture during a failure window to catch transient issues and share the capture with support.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.